we come from the culture where we has always been told that you are the provider and
Yeah.
you are the protector.
Yeah.
And when you, the provider and the protector, is facing such kind of a situation in their life, being a man, that hits you hard.
Doctor told you कि आपके पास 5% chance है of walking again.
Absolutely.
Right? Let's make that as a step one.
Yes.
You don't know. Everybody has a pain. आपके पास भी कुछ ना कुछ होगा problem,
Yes.
right? In
Yes.
our case, it was a physical sort of challenge that we
Yes.
both faced, right? I had my neck broken. Doctor told me a lot of things, like
Yeah.
I got paralyzed and stuff like that, similar to yours.
Yeah.
So how do you start seeking clarity, or should you seek clarity in the phase where it's difficult for you to understand?
See, what I have understood when the doctors told me that I have only 5% chance of walking ever again in my life. And that moment was like running a marathon on a broken leg, you know. But slowly and steadily, when I started self-sabotaging myself, you know, and then in November 2016, after the 3 suicide attempts,
Oh my God.
I had a moment with my daughter. And that moment was like a Shahrukh Khan movie.
अच्छा.
Okay? जैसे शाहरुख खान की मूवी में नहीं सब कुछ फ्रीज हो जाता है एंड देयर इज अ विंड ब्लोइंग कोल्ड ब्रीज एंड ही इज लुकिंग इन द
वक्त रुक
eyes
गया.
of heroine and heroine is looking into Shah Rukh Khan's eyes.
Correct.
That moment I had with my daughter. And that particular moment, the daughter told me in my ears that, Papa, you can do it.
Wow.
You know. And then I had 2 choices. Even though the doctors have told me that I will never walk again or there is 5% chance, I had 2 choices which I need to pick up. One, either I sit and live my life by default or I should design it as I want it.
Correct.
You know, या तो मैं जो चल रहा है वो
चलने
एक्सेप्ट
दो.
कर लूं
Correct.
और बैठा रहूं और
Correct.
कुछ ना करूं
Correct.
और एक और सुसाइड अटेम्प्ट करूं, या तो फिर आई डू समथिंग अबाउट इट एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड विद ग्रेटफुलनेस. And from there, I started stepping into the mindfulness, meditation, you know. मैंने आज तक मेरी लाइफ में, after that incident with my daughter, I never came across a word called mindset. Never. बट मैं जहाँ भी जा रहा था ना उसके बाद, चाहे वो यूट्यूब था, गूगल था, ठीक है, इंस्टाग्राम था, फेसबुक था, all these entrepreneurs, successful business owners were emphasizing on mindset.
Correct.
मैं साला ये चीज क्या है?
क्या है ये?
ये ना स्कूल में बताया नहीं गया,
हाँ.
कॉलेज में बताया ही नहीं गया, माँ बाप ने कभी बात नहीं की,
Correct.
दोस्त ने भी कभी नहीं बताया कि यार माइंडसेट पे काम करना चाहिए.
हाँ.
ये साले जो $1 million कमा रहे हैं वो लोग माइंडसेट की बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, समय की बात कर रहे हैं, माइंडसेट
हाँ.
की बात कर रहे हैं. Correct.
So I started getting into that, and from there I started understanding the human psychology, the emotion.
Correct.
You know,
Correct.
and see, 95% of the humans on this planet make their decision on the basis of their emotions, because emotions equals motion.
Oh.
You see, because every thought in your head comes through your emotion. You might have a 56-inch or 66-inch TV in your bedroom, but you will still go out and buy the 100-inch. Why? You don't need it. But the feeling of getting that 100-inch TV,
Satisfying.
the emotion it attached to, that's what makes the buying power.
Interesting.
You know, and from there when I understood कि ये साला game क्या है, you know, why these people are talking about, then I started getting some clear understanding. And then I started trying to break into my limiting beliefs जो मुझे रोक रहे थे. You know, like I'm not worth enough,
Correct.
or
Correct.
I will never be able to walk
Correct.
again,
Correct.
or I am not, you know, going to survive this financial setback which I am
Correct.
facing.
Correct. Correct.
You know, because the day I took my first step in 2019, after 3.5 years, I was in a 75,000 Australian dollars in debt.
That's a huge amount. That's a huge
Yes, it was huge because my mom was begging. She was borrowing money from people on interest. She was borrowing money from people, from the family, so she can support me, because I was the only one who was earning. My wife was expecting the baby when I made into an accident. And the baby was only born 2 months ago. मेरे एक्सीडेंट से 2 महीने पहले ही बेबी का
What year
जन्म
is
हुआ
this?
था। 2015.
2015.
हाँ. So February 2015 I moved into my house, my first ever house I bought. तो जो भी मेरे पास सेविंग था I have put towards the house.
Okay.
वाइफ उस टाइम प्रेग्नेंट थी, सो शी वॉज आउट ऑफ वर्क.
Correct.
अगस्त में बेबी का जन्म हुआ, ठीक है, और अक्टूबर 11th of October I made into an accident.
Oh. 11th you said.
Yes.
You know, funny thing is, I met an accident on 11th of Jan.
See?
Oh, man. This is like, damn. I'm like, now we're like, see how connected we are in a way.
Yes.
11th of Jan, 11th of October. Please carry on the story. But
So-
it's goosebumps.
Huh, so I had no money. So my mom was borrowing money to support me. And the reason of my attempting the suicide was that when I got to, when my wife told me कि mom वो पैसे borrow कर रही है,
correct.
और लोगों के पास जाके ला रही है और पे कर रही है, इधर भेज रही है, तो मैं लगा यार 2200 Australian dollars is my mortgage, which is around 150 1,15,000 रुपए होते हैं, ठीक है, 1,15,000. मेरी my sister was in NGO as a social worker.
Got it.
So she was making 35,000 40,000 rupees a month.
Okay.
Mom is a housewife. तो मैं पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है? And when I came to know that she's borrowing, and it hit me hard. The reason why it hit me hard is because we come from the culture where we has always been told that you are the provider and
Yeah.
you are the protector.
Yeah. Yeah.
And when you, the provider and the protector, is facing such kind of a situation in their life, being a man, that hits you hard.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन कीप ड्रीमिंग. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.